A high-tech crime-fighting technology making its way to businesses and law enforcement agencies across the state, including here in the Capital Region.
Yeah, News 10's Samantha DeMassio showing us this neat technology.
A new high-tech crime-fighting technology is making its way to businesses and law enforcement agencies across New York State.
New York Sheriff's Association has rolled out a new crime prevention program called the Crime Suppression Initiative.
A high-tech crime-fighting technology making its way to businesses and law enforcement agencies across the state.
Coming up, the latest crime-fighting tool is something that'll definitely leave its mark.
To a storefront near you, the Crime Suppression Initiative.
It's a high-tech crime prevention program that certainly leaves its mark on people in one way or another.
Crime-fighting technology is making its way to businesses and law enforcement across the state, starting right here in the Capital Region.
And News 10 Samantha DeMassio reports that it's a spray said to be more accurate for identifying crooks than DNA.
The New York State Sheriff's Association now has its hands on a DNA crime-fighting tool. This very high-tech device is called the Crime Suppression Initiative, or CSI for short. It uses forensic marking technology, in other words, DNA, to track down criminals or stolen items and then link them to a specific crime scene.
This provides the connection that irrefutably links a criminal to a specific crime site, date and time. The science is undeniable.
Dealing with quality of life issues, property crimes, has an impact on violent crimes in our communities. And if we can address that and we can drive down these property crimes in our communities, we can do some great things in terms of some of the other violent crimes that we're having.
What has been used, there's an average of 40 to 86% reduction in crime.
Anyone who has an existing alarm system or needs an alarm system, we can integrate this cutting-edge technology into. Capabilities of the technology are infinite.
Applicable to so many industries, not just the jewelry industry, you know, the banking or retailing.
Here's how it works. The bad guy fleeing the store is sprayed with an invisible, non-toxic water-based solution that will remain on the person's skin 4 to 6 weeks and on their clothing 2 to 3 months. Each chemical compound is location-specific. It's unique to that business.
This technology can mark criminals or items with an invisible, non-toxic, water-based solution that contains a unique DNA code. Each unit contains a universally unique forensic sequence associated with a specific location. The sequences are never replicated and can scientifically connect a person or item to that specific location.
This technology has been in use for more than a decade in more than 30 countries around the world. Truman Jewelers happens to be the first business in New York State.
I do know, though, if I ran a business and I had a sign up that said we had this detection device in there, I'd feel a lot better about knowing that I probably wouldn't be robbed.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely fascinating.